Aerosmith.
Not quite sure what that means.
Any passengers in wheelchairs must transfer to a limo train to join in this adventure. Well, I think that about covers it. That's the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
Gentlemen, welcome to Studio C. As you enter, please move all the way forward, filling in all of the available space. At this time, go ahead and turn off any settings of flash photography or anything. Those are not allowed in the studio. And please do not sit, stand, climb, lean, or stage dive off of the silver handrails. Thank you and enjoy the tour.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey! What the hey? What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. Yeah.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually even worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
Oh!
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey, Steven, how about some backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you. Hi, Salad Mean. Listen, I'm going to need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Right? Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley.
Congrats on those backstage passes, VIP. That literally.
Asegúrense de colocar sus efectos personales en el piso y de vigilar a sus víctimas.
Attention parking attendants, please look out for motorcycles changing lanes. Thank you.
Hello, LA. It's Bill City James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. I almost didn't make it in time because traffic is jammed in all directions, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
to your right.